everyone, Jillian from Jillian Vance Design here, and today I'm going to be showing you what comes in our die bundle and what our craft along is going to be for the March 20th, 2021 one-of-a-kind craft along event. So let's get right into it. I have some really cute spring cards, and this die bundle is going to be really fun and versatile, so I want to go ahead and show you guys what it includes. So here we are. Here are some cards that I've made for spring, and I kind of want to show you guys what comes in the bundle first so that you guys can kind of see that for yourself, and then I'll kind of explain these cards. So this bundle comes with 2 die sets and 1 stamp set. So you're going to get the new exclusive spring Hootie set, which is a 3x4. And so this one has some really fun sentiments, some really fun little images. So you have your sun and your clouds, and it's really fun. Then you're going to get our Hootie the Owl die set. So this has your basic parts to make your owl, and then of course some little fun extras here. So you're going to receive that. And then you're also going to get the new spring Hootie die set. So this has your bunny ears, your little flower, a basket, chocolate bunny, all those cool things so that you can make cute little spring scenes with Hootie. And the main focus of this craft along is going to be to show you how to use these die sets together and to have fun with it and make these really cute, adorable spring and Easter cards. So then you're also going to get a 3x6 sheet of our new adhesive sheets. So you're going to get that, and that's fun. And you're also going to get a tube of Just Glue It glue, like usual. So that is what comes in the bundle. And then, if you would like, you can add the Slimline Essentials die. And this one is still discounted, but it will be extra. And you'll still get the free shipping if you decide to order this to add on. So that is the bundle, and I have here some mini slims, which these are such fun little cards. So this one says Hopping Down the Bunny Trail, and of course you've got Hootie, and he's surrounded by eggs and flowers and the sun and some clouds, and he's just so cute. And then we also have this one where he has just gone on a little Easter egg hunt. He's in the spirit. And then there are also some really fun little mini cards using our Slimline. And you could also make these gift card holders like we did back in November for our craft along. So that's really fun as well. So we have this one. He has this little chocolate bunny. It says, "Who loves chocolate?" We have Wishing You a Happy Easter. So cute. And then we have this one, which I think is my favorite. Hootie with this little flower headpiece thing. And he's so cute with the little flowers and the grass and the happy spring that I accidentally got a little crooked, but it's okay. And I also used embossing powder for the sun and the clouds, so that is definitely an option as well. So those are just some examples. Again, Mom and I are going to be showing you how to use these die sets together and create really fun projects. So I hope we see you there. And this kit is available now on our website. So go ahead and check it out. Bye guys!